Hello, my name is Mitch Stein, and I want to interview to be your real estate agent. You see, as a local resident, I'm constantly working to keep home values at their peak. I will do the same for you and make sure you get the absolute most money for your home. Something my friends will tell you about me: Mitch may not tell you what you want to hear, but Mitch will always tell you the truth. With that in mind, I'll always give you a realistic view of their current home value. It's always best to consult with an agent early on in the process to help you determine if any improvements or upgrades are needed to be made that will reflect the potential sale price of your home. So often homeowners spend a lot of money on the wrong things that just don't impact the value of their home. So please contact me before making any of these improvements. I would be more than happy to provide you with a visual inspection of your property and make recommendations. I want to make sure your home is ready to sell at top dollar when you're ready to sell it. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you soon.